Hey guys, welcome back. So today's viewer question is from Adrian Vegas, and he wants to know where the starter is on his Crown Vic. So he sent me a text message last night around 2:30 in the morning saying his Crown Vic wouldn't start, but all the lights were coming on in the dash, and he even hooked up a battery booster and it still wouldn't start. So his car is a 1997 with 200,000 miles on it. So I thought because of the age and mileage, it might be time for the brushes in the starter to wear out. And the last time it was engaged, it ended up on a dead spot. So usually when that happens, you can tap on the starter while somebody is holding the key to the start position, and that'll free it up. So I'd like to show you where it's at. Right now this is my 2010 Mercury Grand Marquis. But this should be similar for all Crown Vics, Grand Marquis, Lincoln Town Cars, Marauders from 1992 to 2011 and maybe even older. So the starter is going to be over here on the passenger side of the engine, and I've already got a flashlight down here. That's it right here, and this rusty red-orange looking thing is the exhaust manifold, and the starter solenoid is going to be underneath this manifold. So let me give you a better look at it. So that's it, that bronze looking thing with the red cap on that terminal, and it's going to be right underneath there. So ideally when this happens, you'd want to hit the body of the starter, but all we got up here is just the solenoid attached to the starter. So usually you want to do this with a wooden stick. You can do it with a metal stick, but just be careful not to connect the positive terminals on that solenoid, or else you're going to cause some sparks. So just put your stick in here and rest it right on the solenoid starter. And if you got a hammer, it works pretty good. Just tap it on here, and that's about all it takes. It doesn't take much effort. It's just a sharp couple taps will get it going, and it works even better if you have a second person turning the key and holding it to the start position while you're tapping on it. Now, one other thing I want to mention is I looked at my 2004 Crown Vic earlier today, and if you can't access the starter from up top here, I saw there's a way to tap on it through the front passenger wheel well in this direction right here where I'm putting the stick. So that's another access point to it, to tap on it. And if that doesn't work, you're going to have to get underneath the car at about this angle and tap on the body of the starter that way. Okay, so that's where the starter is, and that's how to tap on it to get it started when it's starting to wear out and end on a dead spot on the brushes. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.